Greetings and welcome to Excel Made Easy. In this tutorial, we will learn how to effortlessly show or hide the ribbon in Excel. It's a simple process that doesn't require any advanced technical skills. So, let's begin. Our goal is to help you become proficient in using Excel quickly and easily. We provide easy-to-follow video tutorials that break down complex concepts into digestible bites. So, let's dive in and get started. Enjoy learning Excel with us. The ribbon in Excel is the display you see at the top of the Excel window, through which you can access Excel commands and functions. If it's hidden and you want to see it, click on the icon in the top right-hand corner, the one with an arrow pointing up, which is the icon for ribbon display options. From the menu that appears, select Show Tabs and Commands. Excel will immediately show the ribbon with all the functions Excel offers, when the display is set on Standard. Now let's have a look at the other two options, how you can make your working area in the spreadsheet larger. To see all ribbon display options again, click on the arrow icon on the right at the top of the screen. Let's select the first option, Auto Hide Ribbon, and let's see what happens now. This option hides the ribbon, but once we need it, we can always call it by clicking into the bar located at the top of the window. A ribbon will appear and you'll be able to choose whichever function you need. Then you click anywhere within the spreadsheet area and the ribbon will disappear again. Once it's not visible, you can work with the spreadsheet extended full screen. And there's one option left to explore. So, let's click on the ribbon display options icon again, but now select Show Tabs. In this view, you'll see individual tab names. Whenever needed, just click on a tab name and you'll see the options of the tab that were previously hidden. Pick the function you need and click anywhere in the spreadsheet area to hide the options again. Only tab names will stay visible. To switch views according to what you need is easy. Simply click on the icon in the top right-hand corner and choose whichever view suits you best. To get back to the standard view, go for Show Tabs and Commands, where all the tab names and the options are visible at all times. And if you want to extend the working area of the spreadsheet even more, there's another little trick that will help you. If you're interested in learning how to show or hide the formula bar in Excel, watch the next Excel Made Easy video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Be sure to click the like and subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.